Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports Dynamic Island and is on the latest iOS. Once done, open Settings and check Software Update. Install any pending updates. Make sure apps you want to use with Dynamic Island have notifications and relevant permissions enabled. This ensures interactive widgets and live activities can appear. If you skip updates or permissions, the island won't show content reliably. So take those first steps now. Before moving into app-specific actions, you now trigger an activity that uses the Dynamic Island. For example, open music and play a track, start navigation in Maps, or begin a timer in Clock. Those actions create live activities. Once the activity starts, look to the top center. Dynamic Island will expand briefly into a pill, then settle as a compact interactive area. Make sure to interact by tapping or long pressing to reveal controls. This is how you open and control island content in real time. You finish by expanding and interacting with the Dynamic Island. Tap once to open quick controls, long press to expand into full details and app actions. Use swipe gestures to dismiss or return to the host app. If Dynamic Island fails to show, restart the phone, update the app, and recheck notification permissions. These steps usually fix visibility issues. If problems persist, reinstall the app or reset network and privacy settings. That often restores live activities and Dynamic Island behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.